Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Face ID on your iPhone. So if you want to stop using Face ID and just use your passcode on your iPhone, I'll walk you through the process. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your iPhone. And once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. And now here you will be asked to enter your passcode, so simply enter that. And now here is the tricky part. You won't see an option to just remove Face ID, but don't worry. The process of reset Face ID is same as removing it. So simply scroll down and tap on reset Face ID. And here, as you can see, I have currently enabled my stolen device protection, so the option to reset Face ID has been grayed out, but you can simply tap on that, and after that your Face ID will be removed from your iPhone. And after that, if you want to set up Face ID again, you can do so now, but if you don't want it, you are all set. And that's all there is to it. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.